Hello guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple noodle soup in the style of Mizo, Chow, Leih, but I'll be using mushrooms instead of meat. The ingredients that you'll be needing are button mushrooms, noodle packet, chicken powder which is optional, turmeric, oil, salt, and some ginger and onion. First, take a few cups of water and bring it to a boil. Then add the noodles and wait for 7 to 10 minutes until the noodles are cooked. Drain the noodles thoroughly and set it aside for later use. Heat up the oil in the pan and add garlic, turmeric, chicken powder, and salt to taste. Now add the freshly chopped mushrooms. After stirring it for some time, add a few cups of water and bring it to a boil. In the meantime, you can make chutney by mixing chopped onions, red chili flakes, and salt. Crush it a little bit and set it aside. Once the water starts boiling, add some ginger and wait till everything is finely cooked. Now you have the simple yet flavorful soupy mushroom noodles. Hit the like button if you like this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you want more of this kind of videos.